Welcome to my channel World of Health. Today I am showing you how they pick up these garbage, the food waste trucks and all that. When we collect all our food stuff and then they come on this every Thursday. Just see, he's putting that truck on the machine and that will go up and then unloaded all the hellos. Every Thursday they come here, and black container is having regular food wastage and the green one is having the recycling one. There will be a separate truck which will come for the green, and they come every Thursday just for the disposal of the garbage. Every house they go, they take it, put it on the machine and crush it inside. So now they are ready to leave. Yeah, just see, now he is doing the other one. Yeah, he is picking that and he will go over there, and just see, he is going to put it on the machine and then yeah, just see, it is going up. It's very interesting, very disciplined, very systematic. Our World of Health talk about a proper cleanliness and garbage disposal, or the cleanliness of everything, cleanliness on every angle. So they are just working very seriously, and there is a system that one street or one area has Thursday, the other area might be Wednesday or Monday and all that. They come every week like that, and then they collect the bushes and all that. After 15 days there is a separate truck for that. Now they are going. It's very interesting, and just see, now I'm going to the different houses and yeah, just doing all that. Very quick, very systematic, and that in that manner we can keep our houses clean and the health can be good, because these boxes stays outside our houses, and then we regularly put in the black one the regular food waste, and in the green one the recycling papers and cardboard boxes and plastic things, whichever is recyclable we put it over there. So now I am just showing you what they are doing in the other houses also. Now after this truck there will be a other truck which will come for the green recycling container. Just see, they are very smart, very active, and they do their job very nicely. And when there is a weekly holiday, they switch to the next day. Suppose this week we have some weekly national holiday, they will come on Friday. So there is some changes as per the holidays and all that. They put the container on the machine, that goes up, drop the garbage and come back, then they place it accordingly on the outside the houses. Very interesting, because all other countries might be having some system, but they should have better and better and better ways. So all this is connected with our health. Health is cleanliness. God is cleanliness. Nothing goes beyond cleanliness. If we are not clean, we are not maintained. I was just here outside walking and taking all this. So I will be there again with some very interesting thing. And take care and see my videos. If somebody is really interested, then they can subscribe it and have a nice health, because my things are very atomic, very scientific, very systematic. Namaskar.